In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Google Calendar private by changing your event privacy settings. Whether you're using it for personal, professional, or academic purposes, adjusting the privacy settings of your calendar can help maintain your privacy and control who can see your events. Let's start by accessing your Google Calendar. Open your preferred browser and navigate to Google Calendar. Once you're there, look to the left-hand side of your screen and you'll see a section labeled My Calendars. This is where all the calendars associated with your Google account are listed. Now choose the calendar you'd like to make private. Hover your cursor over that calendar's name and you'll notice three vertical dots appearing next to it. These dots act as a drop-down menu offering various options related to your calendar's settings. Go ahead and click on these three dots. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings and Sharing. This option will open up a new window where you can view and adjust all settings related to your chosen calendar. Scroll through these settings until you find the Access Permissions for Events section. This section plays a vital role in controlling who can access your calendar's details. You'll notice a box labeled Make Available to Public. If this box is checked, it means your calendar is visible to anyone on the web. To ensure your privacy, you should uncheck this box. By doing so, you're setting your calendar to be private, meaning only individuals you specify will be able to view its contents. If you've previously shared your calendar with specific people, you'll want to review their access levels. Scroll down to the Share with Specific People section. Here you'll see a list of individuals or groups with whom you've shared your calendar. Beside each name, there's a drop-down menu that allows you to modify their permissions. Options include See Only Free, Busy, or See All Event Details. Carefully select the level of access you feel is appropriate for each person. For added control, you have the option to remove any individual or group from your list if you no longer want them to access your calendar. Simply click the X next to their name. This action will immediately revoke their access, and they'll no longer be able to view any events on your calendar. And there you have it, your Google Calendar is now private. By following these steps, you can comfortably manage who sees the details of your schedule. Remember, privacy is in your control, and with these settings adjusted, you can enjoy a sense of security and privacy for your calendar events. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any more questions about using Google Calendar or any other tech-related concerns.